desert, in the sandy desert. The humpy camel lives in the desert, where it smells and hot. The mighty jaguar lives in the forest, in the thick green forest, in the thick green forest. The mighty jaguar